Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get more stickers in Facebook Messenger or how to add more stickers in Facebook Messenger. First, let's go into the app. Once you're in the app, you're going to select the chat that you would like to send a sticker to. And in the search bar, you'll see the search icon. You're going to tap right there. And from here, you want to select stickers. The icon is right beside the star. You're going to tap right there on the smiley face. And at the moment, you can see the stickers that I have available. And to get more stickers, you're going to tap on the house icon in the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you'll see numerous options you can choose from. And once you find a sticker or stickers that you would like to add, you'll simply tap on the arrow beside the sticker name, and that will download the sticker. And you can also tap on all, and you'll see even more options, as you can see here. And again, you'll simply tap on the arrow beside the sticker that you would like, and it will download the sticker. Then if you tap on your stickers, you will see all of the stickers that you have downloaded in the past. Now to access these stickers while sending a message, again you'll tap on the search icon in the search bar right here. Then tap on stickers, which is the smiley face right beside the star. Then you'll tap on the search bar in the bottom left hand corner. And from here, you'll simply search for your sticker. Let me search for it real quick. Right where you see search stickers, and you're going to type in your. And you'll see all of the stickers that you have downloaded. Now you'll simply tap on the one that you would like to send. And you can see that it has been sent. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to get more stickers in Facebook Messenger.